Hello everyone, during this episode we'll be working on a 1967 GT500 Shelby drawing. Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well, and thank you for tuning into Moose Motion. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed the content, comment below what you think, share with your friends, and perhaps consider subscribing if you're new, and be sure you have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss any of the new content. Anyway, thank you for your support, it's highly appreciated. Hello my dear viewers, and hope you are all doing well, and I am back. I do understand it has been a little while since I've done, a YouTube video post. Unfortunately, being a Canadian, we get some pretty harsh winters out here, so it's been a lot of work basically trying to prep for winter. And, doing a 9 to 5 and keep maintaining a YouTube channel is definitely, not exactly a very easy task. So, unfortunately, I haven't had a whole lot of time lately for art projects, but I've been squeezing in probably an hour or so when I can. At this point, I am now finished the Shelby GT500 drawing, so we are going to do a comparison on this drawing versus the R32 drawing, and which one ever does better in the algorithm will be the next 3D model. At any rate, we're going to just start out with a light sketch, basically getting our main body lines and most prominent features basically into the paper. Then we'll work on some basically smaller details, and then bringing everything out and adding color later on. As far as the inspiration goes for the car, it's been kind of a combination of two different cars, one of which the name I shall not mention, unfortunately, due to the massive amount of copyright laws that there's applied with that one. So essentially it's just been used as a little bit of added inspiration, and I essentially kind of made my own concept, 67 GT500. Because, I kind of like car design. It's quite a lot of fun. It does take a lot of time, and don't think it's actually ever going to really pay off, unfortunately, at this point. However, it's something that I hold dear, and I will continue doing till, forever. So I'm not going to quit on this stuff. I quite enjoy it. It's definitely quite, interesting being able to create something out of nothing, and that is a skill that I personally hold quite dear. Not to mention the number of, young kids, as well as some actually adults who have decided to get back into certain art forms due to me being a bit of an inspiration. I can't thank you all enough. That actually means quite a lot to me, and you're the reason that I basically keep working very hard on this channel, as well as my art projects, stop motion, and all, variety of different things that can be popped up on here. I don't exactly have a very solid niche, I must admit, which probably doesn't help the case, but that is okay. There's too many interesting things in this world to really just stick to just one. Although, if I'm to be honest, cars are probably kind of my favorite. Now, at this point in the drawing, we are basically ready to add color, which was basically recommended by one of my Tik Tok followers that we were going to go with a nice blue and white concept. I was going to go with a cream color Mustang, but in all honesty, the blue quite looks really good. I'm kind of glad he suggested it. It definitely makes it pop quite a lot, so I'm definitely looking forward to making a 3D model of this one. And, the skyline's pretty cool too. I also have a soft spot for, those imports are one of my favorite. And if by chance you haven't seen the skyline drawing, the link is in the post description below, so be sure to go check that out as well. And be sure to let me know in the comments section below which one you would like to see be, the next clay car model, the GT500 or the R32 Skyline. Now, I also must admit I kind of forgot to add Milton the Moose. Generally speaking, if you're new to this channel, I like to hide this little clay moose character that is kind of the profile picture of the channel. And, it's timestamp when he shows up, you basically get a little shout out. Unfortunately, I've been so busy, I kind of neglected that aspect of the video, so don't worry about looking for him during this video. Just sit back, relax, watch the Shelby basically turn from a blank piece of paper into, a cool concept drawing, and hopefully this can inspire some other people to perhaps draw some of their own concept cars at any rate. So I will talk to you towards the end of the video, and I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, be sure to smack that like button, leave a comment below which one you would like to see as the next 3D model. Perhaps consider subscribing if you're new, and share with your friends. Anyway, thank you for your support, it's definitely appreciated. Again, just a quick voiceover tip. Generally what I like to do for the highlight sections on my drawings is basically use a white Prismacolor color and just blend it in with the existing paint colors around to kind of give it the appearance of a, well, high reflective spot in the paint and or chrome. Hello again, my dear viewers, and thank you for sticking around all the way to the end of the video. Now be sure to leave a comment below to let me know which one you would like to see as a 3D model next. Leave it a like, would also give it a hand, share with your friends, and perhaps consider subscribing if you're new. Anyway, that's enough from me. Till next time, take it easy.